Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a quick tip today on how to convert spreadsheet data into a Google Doc. Here's an example of some data that I collected from some students. Asked them a couple questions, they filled out a Google form. I love getting data back from them in a Google form setting, but once you get it to the spreadsheet, it's really hard to kind of process as a teacher. So I'm going to show you an add-on here. So if you are in Google Docs and you're in Spreadsheet, if you go to Add-ons, and you pull down to Get Add-ons, there is an add-on that is called Save to Doc. And when you search for it, when you find the Save to Doc add-on, if you click free there, you're going to add it to your list of add-ons. Go ahead and accept it so that you can use it on your spreadsheet. And then once you have it as an add-on, it'll show you for the first time that you have it up here in the add-ons. You can click off that. So I've got all this data. I want to get it into a spreadsheet format so that I can then read it in kind of a normal fashion. So I'm going to go to add-ons. I'm going to go to Save as Doc. I'm going to Start. And the first thing it'll do is it'll pop up here on the right and it'll say, what do you want to save it as? I'm going to put example data doc. And it'll ask, do you want the first row of your spreadsheet to be your heading? I'm going to click yes on that for this one. And then I am going to select all the data. So I want all of this data to come onto the spreadsheet, so you can tell that it's highlighted it now. I'm going to go to Save to Doc. I'm going to let it do its magic. And what it's going to do is it's going to take all of this data from the spreadsheet. It's going to put it in a Google Doc. And then once you get into that format, you can work with it. You can put space bars in or page breaks. You can put in different types of clip art if you wanted to. So I'm going to go to Open Doc. And once I go to Open Doc here, you'll see that I now have all my data in a relatively easy format to read. So if I scroll up, you'll notice that it puts the title on each one, which is kind of nice. So this is one student, and it'll go all the way down to timestamp. So for example, if I wanted to, I could go into the middle of each of these. I could insert a horizontal line if I wanted to. I could add a page break. But now I have information in a non-spreadsheet format that is easy to access and read. So that's my little tip on taking spreadsheet data and making it into a Google Doc.